Good morning, children. I am your history teacher here, and today we are going to do revision exercises. So let's start with true and false. Number 1. Robert Clive reconquered Calcutta from Siraj ud-Daulah. True. Number 2. Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II refused to grant the Diwani of Bengal, Odisha and Bihar to the East India Company. False. Number 3. The combined armies of Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II, Awadh Nawab Shuja-ud-Daulah and Mir Qasim defeated the East India Company in the Battle of Buxar. False. Number 4. Nawab Shuja-ud-Daulah entered into a defense alliance with the East India Company. True. Number 5. The East India Company was allowed to carry duty-free trade in Awadh. True. Number 6. The British East India Company established its first permanent factory in Surat. True. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write a short note on Carnatic Wars. Answer. The Carnatic Wars were a series of military conflicts in the middle of the 18th century of India. The conflicts involved numerous nominally independent rulers and their vassals, struggles for succession and territory, and included a diplomatic and military struggle between the French East India Company and the British East India Company. They were mainly fought on the territories in India which were dominated by the Nizam of Hyderabad up to the Godavari Delta. As a result of these military contests, the British East India Company established its dominance among the European trading companies within India. The French company was pushed to a corner and was confined primarily to Pondicherry. The East India Company's dominance eventually led to control by the British Company over most of the India and eventually to the establishment of the British Raj. In the 18th century, the coastal Carnatic region was a dependency of Hyderabad. These Carnatic Wars were fought between 1746 and 1763. Next, question number 2. What was the outcome of the Battle of Plassey? Answer. Battle of Plassey was the first major victory of the company in India and has a great political significance as it laid the foundation of the British Empire in India. Point 2. It is regarded as the starting point of British rule in India. A great transformation came about in the position of the East India Company in Bengal as it monopolized the trade and commerce of Bengal. So children, today we did true and false and question and answer. The rest exercise we are going to do in the next video. Till that time, take care, stay safe.